Nature has always been the greatest source of skincare wisdom. For centuries, herbs, botanicals, and natural oils have been used to cleanse, protect, and nourish the skin.
Today, the demand for herbal skincare is growing faster than ever before. Consumers around the world are searching for products
That combine the purity of nature with the science of modern formulation. Imagine soaps enriched with powerful ingredients like neem, turmeric, lavender, aloe vera, charcoal, sandalwood, oats, and pure essential oil. Each ingredient carefully chosen, each formulation designed to deliver real skin benefits. In this training, you will discover 50 powerful herbal soap ideas that can help you create unique products and build your own successful soap brand. From acne-fighting herbal bars to luxurious spa soaps and detox formulations, the possibilities are endless. Welcome to this professional course by Alchemist on herbal soap and Evoke brands. Let's begin the journey. In today's skincare market, consumers are becoming more conscious about what they apply to their skin. Now we will explain why herbal soaps are popular. They're chemical-free, gentle on skin, and eco-friendly. On one side, we have conventional soaps formulated mainly with synthetic ingredients designed primarily for cleansing. On the other side, herbal soaps combine cleansing with the natural benefits of botanical ingredients. Plants like neem, tulsi, turmeric, aloe vera, and tea tree oil have been trusted for centuries for their powerful skincare properties. These ingredients are known for their antibacterial, soothing, detoxifying, and nourishing effects. Herbal soaps do more than just clean the skin. They support skin health. This natural approach builds stronger consumer trust and creates products that feel authentic and beneficial. As a result, herbal soaps are becoming one of the fastest-growing segments in the global skincare market.
for new skincare brands. This trend represents a powerful opportunity. Herbal soaps are categorized by benefits like acne control and brightening, detox and moisturizing soaps, and options for anti-aging and exfoliation.
Moisturizing soap for deep hydrating soap to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles.
Launch your herbal soap brand today. Herbal soaps are one of the fastest growing segments in the skin. Alchemist will product ideas that can help you launch a profitable skincare brand.
For paid formulation consultancy services, please contact on WhatsApp number +92 300 454 234.